What's up, gang, and welcome back to my channel. You guys, I'm here. It is super early in the morning, and I am getting ready to finish up the shipment so it can go out, y'all. So excuse the bonnet, but as a business owner, sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. Okay, it's not always gonna be glamorous. Okay, so anyways, y'all, without further ado, make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure your post notification bell is on so you get notified every single time I go on the screen. Let's go. Y'all, so first things first, we're gonna finish opening up the rest of these boxes. Let me get the scissors and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm gonna create my labels and get them printed off. And basically the way I print my labels, I go through UPS because that is who the store recommends you ship through. Y'all, I'm about to be like fucking pissed. All right, so I just batch created my files and y'all can see right there, it's 250. That is the most you can do in a batch. So that's what we're doing. And you can see right there that they're becoming complete and it's going off. And then I have my printer and everything set up. So when it's time to print, I'll show you guys that process of the printing and getting my labels together. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and pull up my Label Life app, and we're gonna import PDF. I wanna make sure you crop because the way these are, they are going to need to be cropped. And so basically I'll go crop it. And I make sure I really try and get it perfectly on there. Okay, and so once I crop this one, it's going to crop them all. So right now it's cutting, but what's gonna happen is it's gonna cut it out and see, and now we can flip the direction. Well, you want to put the size, and so this is 4 by 6, and see, I did it backwards, so I will do 4 for the height and the width is 6. Okay, and you guys see it's perfect. You could change the direction you want it to go. So if I was to change it, so anyways, then you want to go ahead and click import, and now you have your handy dandy label. You guys see how quick and easy that was. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna hit print and it's gonna print. Y'all kind of nervous. And get my lashes shipped out. I already have some pre-made boxes from the last shipment because I had too many and my assistant had kept making boxes, y'all, but I was like, it's fine. I have another order going out, another big order going out where I could use these boxes and it wouldn't make a difference, so I just put them in there to hold off. And you guys, I have something super exciting to show you. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what we've been working on. Let me flip the switch. Yay, look at them, guys. They're so cute. They are so cute. So many different styles. And we are doing a giveaway, so if you want to be entered into our giveaway, go ahead and comment below, put me in. Okay, comment below, put me in so I can put you in the giveaway. And our prize right now, we also are giving away, you'll not only get the press-on nails, you'll get some lashes, and you'll get a $50 gift card. So you're gonna want to participate and make sure you're following us on social media so you can be a part of that giveaway. Okay, I have my packaging slips. These are all my packaging slips, and then these are all of my labels. So the way the store wanted me to do it this time was completely different. So like all the boxes aren't getting the same quantities, and usually they do get the same quantities, but these last 2 orders, they have not been getting the same quantities since you know, expanding to all of the stores. It's been like, you know, so this one was quite a loop for your girl, okay? But we got it figured out, and I made sure I printed my shipping labels accordingly. Everything is in order. So I'm debating, do I want to like stick these in the box like this and have it inside of the box? I just did that wrong. So I did that backwards. Let me see. I just want to stay in order because I don't want to like confuse myself. So I'm gonna stick this one back because there's already a lot going on, y'all. So the last thing I'm gonna do is confuse myself. This is what we started with, okay? So these are gonna get every one.